You may want to run a Lost Resources report in order to follow up with patrons that have lost items, to ask them to return them or pay for them, to see what items you might want to replace, and to check the shelves to see if you can find any lost resources. The Lost Resources report lists all resources in your collection that have been declared to be lost. The report will begin to compile as soon as you select it from the menu. The item barcode, date it was declared lost, call number, and title are listed. If the resource was lost by a patron, the patron name is also shown, along with any outstanding charges. It can be viewed on screen, printed, or downloaded as a PDF. Immediately after running the report, you can click on one of the items in the list to go directly to that record.